welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be reviewing Cantu Shea Butter Sulfate-Free Cleansing Cream Shampoo. Now, it is a cleansing shampoo based on what the product does say. So I'm going to be reviewing this product, and this is what it looks like. And you see right there, it says cleansing. I'm gonna bring it closer. Yeah, so I am going to be reviewing the product. My hair, it does have a bit of buildup, so I need a cleansing shampoo to get rid of that buildup at this moment. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Once again, so this is a shampoo that I'm going to be reviewing, Cantu Cleansing Cream Shampoo, and I'm just going to be showing you guys the state of my hair just right before the wash. So I'll be showing different sections of my hair and showing you guys the buildup and what needs to come off. Now we're going straight into the washing process, and I usually start with drenching my locks with water, with Microlocs or with Locs, in order for the product to really absorb well and also to prevent breakage during the washing process. It's best that your locks, your hair is fully drenched in water, and I think overall in general, before you're shampooing or you're washing your hair, to avoid any situations where you experience hair breakage as a result of breaking your hands through your hair or just washing your hair. It's best that your hair is fully drenched in water before applying the product. So I am drenching my hair with water, making sure that the water gets in before I go ahead to apply the product. Now, this is the actual washing process, and this is how the product looks. It has a creamy look to it, and I'm applying the product to my scalp. I'm focusing more on my scalp. I start from the scalp to then the length of the hair, and I had to go in for more pumps of the product before I was satisfied that the product had gotten to most of my hair. I do have a lot of hair to cover, so I had to take in a little more product. Now, I repeated the process multiple times until I was satisfied that my hair has had a good wash experience. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. This is after the wash. Let's see how the hair is looking. Okay, so I can see that there are patches of buildup left on the scalp, or just dry flakes left on the scalp, and it could mean multiple things. Is that the shampoo is more of a conditioning shampoo than a cleansing, or it is a cleansing shampoo, but when you're using the product, you may need your hair a little bit more with more effort. Now you can see that there are the sections of my hair that were clean, that the buildup is not there. So it seems that the shampoo did its work in some parts of it. It just means that you might need to put in a bit more effort when you're kneading your hair while using the product. I do have more feedback to share on the product, so just keep watching the video and you will hear more about my experience with this shampoo. Alright, now before I give my final thoughts on the product, I want to talk about some of the characteristics of the product itself. So for example, the smell. I love the smell. It has a sweet smell, and I love that because then that means my hair is going to smell good after the wash is done. And then also in terms of if it lathers easily, I did need that wash. I need the wash because I had a bit of buildup. It didn't lather immediately, so it was around the second time it started lathering after I applied the shampoo, but it hadn't reached its full potential. So by the third time using the shampoo, applying it on my hair and scalp, then it went into the full lather mode. And so I do have a full head of hair, so based on how much density you have, your hair could lather quicker
And also, if it has not been a long time in between washes, your hair could also lather faster. And I had to use quite a bit of the product because I have a lot of hair, so I had to apply a lot of the product before I felt that the product had gotten into my hair. Now, those are the two things I did want to touch on. Going into how my scalp felt after the wash. My scalp felt clean, it felt refreshed. That's what I left with after the shampoo. Now, one thing else I wanted to mention was the ingredients of the product itself. They have glycerin in the product, which I appreciate because glycerin attracts moisture to your hair. So when you're done with the wash, because of the glycerin in the product, you have some glycerin in your hair, and glycerin attracts moisture from your environment. It attracts moisture from the environment to your hair, so your hair doesn't feel completely dry. It's not left completely dry after the shampoo, which is something else I did observe after using it. My hair is not completely dried out. So yeah, that is my review of the Cantu Sheer Butter. If you do like this video, please thumbs up if you found the video helpful. Like it, share it, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.